Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to send money from the United States to a Korean bank account in 2025. Whether you're supporting family overseas, handling international business, or just sending funds for travel, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. With the latest updates in digital banking and currency exchange, it's easier than ever, but there are a few key things you need to know to avoid common pitfalls. First off, let's talk about your options. In 2025, popular methods include using international transfer services like Wise or Revolut, which offer competitive exchange rates and low fees, or going through your traditional US bank for a wire transfer. Wise is often my top pick because it's fast, secure, and user-friendly. Plus, it handles the conversion from USD to KRW automatically. Step 1. Gather all the necessary details. You'll need the recipient's full name, their Korean bank account number, the bank's SWIFT code, and the bank's address. Double-check everything to prevent delays or errors. Pro tip: use the bank's official app or website to verify this info, as Korean banks like KB Kookmin or Shinhan have made their systems even more accessible for international users. Next, compare fees and rates. Exchange rates fluctuate, so use tools like Z.com or your transfer app to get the best deal. In 2025, watch out for new regulations that might affect cross-border transfers, such as enhanced security measures or limits on digital wallets. Once you're ready, initiate the transfer through your chosen platform. For example, with Wise, simply log in, enter the amount, select the currencies, and confirm the details. It usually takes 1 to 2 business days to arrive. Don't forget about security. Always use two-factor authentication and avoid public Wi-Fi when making transfers. Also, keep an eye on any taxes or additional fees that might apply, especially if you're sending large amounts. Wrapping this up, sending money internationally doesn't have to be complicated. By following these steps, you'll save time and money while ensuring your funds get to Korea safely. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Let's chat. Word count: 385.